Hi, I'm Tom Stimson and welcome to AV Matters. Today's question is about buying software. The question I get far too often is, Tom, this company wants me to spend $50,000 or $250,000 on this software package. Why in the world would I want to do that? And I'm going to tell you right now, chances are because your company really needs it. So as we evaluate this opportunity to improve your business with software, we're going to talk about ROI. Is software for infrastructure and operations management and sales management what you really need? We're going to do a little bit of math. So, cost of software is relative. Whether it's $50,000 or $250,000 is not the point. The point is, what is the software going to do for you and what are you going to get out of it? Let me give you a quick example. It's not unusual for me to come into an organization and find them with an existing software package, perhaps for inventory control, customer relationship management, bid processing, that they're not using effectively. And if we look at that software and what it's supposed to do and how the organization could use it better, we're going to find real cost savings and sometimes even a chance to capture more revenue. So there's ROI to software, whether you're buying new software or improving the software that you're already using. If you use it correctly, it's designed to help you make money. Are you letting it do that? So if you're evaluating a new software package, you're going to go through the same processes of evaluating how well you're using an existing one. If I buy this, is it going to help me make more money? Software companies are often great at making the features work for you, but they may not be the best people equipped to help you understand how it's going to make money for you. You're going to have to do that yourself. And in order to do that, you're going to have to evaluate the processes that are affected by the software, and can you do them more efficiently? Can you anticipate problems sooner? Can you avoid problems? Can you make money by saving money? Does the software help you do these things? So, if you evaluate what you need software to do, the next question you're going to have to ask yourself is, do you have the discipline to actually do it? So when someone asks me, do I need to buy this software? I'm thinking in the back of my mind, do they have the discipline to actually use the software where they can get the ROI that they should be getting from it? So to do this, list all the areas that you think you can capture revenue, expense, and improve customer service by using software. And don't forget the value of customer service. If you have better customer service, you will have fewer problems with your customers, which means you can avoid more mistakes and have more repeat business. Customer service does have a value. You've probably lost projects in the past because you communicated poorly inside your organization, probably because you didn't use your software properly or you didn't use it at all. If we list all the areas that we can capture gains from software, then we can quantify the potential improvement. Can I save man hours? Can I reduce the number of people it takes me to process a show in the warehouse? Can I have a salesperson who can handle more projects or write more proposals because they can do it faster and more efficiently? There's great returns that we can capture if we understand what the software will do for us. Perhaps one of the things that software does best for us that we overlook is that it finds opportunities. Data mining. If we just had the data, we can make better decisions about how we do our marketing, how we do capital purchasing, which customers do we need to call on, which customers are making us the more money, how can we find customers that make money for us just like the customers that we already have, and probably most important of all, which customers are we losing money on, and can we prove that, and can we change that situation in a win-win scenario? So, in terms of software cost, if you're focused on the price of the software package, you're not seeing the entire picture. If something costs you $50,000 to buy, it's probably going to cost you another $50,000 to implement. So my rule of thumb is double what you think the cost is going to be in terms of what your actual cash outlay is going to be over time to make software work for you. I'm a big advocate of letting software do the job for you. Software is great for sharing information, for communicating, for looking at data, for doing projections, and just keeping track of things. If you're not using software to do these things, or you're using multiple pieces of software, which I mean you've got 5 spreadsheets that you use to track your business with, then you're missing some major efficiencies. So software is an important part of what we do. You wouldn't start a new business today without buying a computer, and you want to have software on that computer when you get it. So let's think about what it is that you want to do long term, how you make money, and take advantage of the software products out there that will help us do it. And also remember that software is a capital investment. It may be a $50,000 outlay this year, but you're going to get to amortize that over 5 or 7 years of time. So your cost to your P&L is actually quite small. And your gains from being efficient will probably far exceed those depreciation costs. Just like we evaluate buying new equipment to make money, our software will help us make money too. I'm Tom Stimson. Thanks for watching.